Good morning. My name is Muhammad Aimi Zikri and I will be preparing parental preparation for today. Firstly, the thing that's before I start, I am wearing a clean suit room and a hairnet. Okay. Firstly, I have to make sure that our working place is clean. So I will use 70% isopropyl preparation to clean, to spray, to sterile the workplace. Then take a tissue and then wipe the working place in zigzag overlapping motion. Okay, after that we can start preparing the preparation. Firstly is 5 gram ascorbic acid. The secondly is 2.4 gram sodium bicarbonate, and lastly is distilled water. All the amount have been calculated. Firstly, I have to take 5 gram of ascorbic acid and pour some water to dilute it. Then stir. After that, take 2.4 gram of sodium bicarbonate and dilute it. Then stir. After both of them has been diluted, mix them together. After mix well, pour the required amount to fulfill the amount needed. After that, take the syringe and make sure to have enough water to make sure that we have an accurate amount. And then put the syringe filter by twisting method, and then pour it into ampoule. But okay, after pouring into the ampoule, we have to seal the ampoule. So I have the gas burner. I have adjusted the heat, and then the tweezer. Okay, so that is parental preparation. Thank you.